Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's still June 22nd, 2009, and we're seeing a nice little sell-off here, even in the face of some of this daily support. It's a pretty good test of this 200 MA and the 50 MA, which was rising, and even some support price-wise. So here we are, 3 bars down on declining volume. However, you can see that volume even better on a 15-minute chart. Again, just taking apart the ETF here, the $90 mark held as support for quite a little while. That wasn't bad to see, but then even that failed. So I dropped that 90 in. So that was where we got that little bounce. And now we're using that as resistance and looking down to the next logical place of support, which on this chart, again, if you either zoom out here or go back to a 15-minute chart, you're still looking for it. So you have to go back now to a 60-minute, for me anyway, and that was that $89 mark I've been talking about before. So again, pretty good size sell-off. Some of the news, again, was from this morning. Stocks pull back as global economic worries rise. If you dig deeper into that, it was one of those seemingly self-fulfilling prophecies about the World Bank predicting global economy will shrink by 2.9% in 2009. So here we are with a nice sell-off in the face of that, partly to blame, and also some interesting things to note. This is definitely a slowing momentum, at least to my eye. So we've got swing lows in here. This isn't too bad, but we're seeing a little bit of a consolidation here. The TRIN Q was a little bit volatile over the last 10-15 minutes. I've been watching him fluctuate back and forth, but now rising. The TRIN itself solidly above 1.5 even for almost the entire day. VIX, oftentimes again the tiebreaker, is also showing a slowing momentum to the upside, and so we're getting that little bit of a consolidation here around noon, at least Eastern Standard Time, and that's not at all rare. So before I want to short anything into 3 solid 60-minute bars down in a row on the S&P 500, for instance, I want to be careful about how I go short into that. Also, this could just be a test of this area. We'll have to see where the shadow occurs today, if we get one, unless it closes right on its low, and that'll be, again, very, very telling for this test. Very good. So watch closely. Look forward to D7's video this evening, and trade smart with the market internals, and we'll be talking to you soon.